Hi Wayne, here's a quick look at how NeuraRephraser can make the OLSP system even easier. Now I know it's already very quick and easy to use, but we can make it even quicker. So here I am on your profile and I'm going to scroll down until I find a post that I like. I think there's one down here that's got quite a lot of detail to it. Okay, so this one's quite long. What I'm going to do is highlight all that, right click and choose copy. Then I'm going to head over to NeuraRephraser. I'm already logged in. I'm on the NeuraRephraser Pro option. We have all sorts of different options here for the different tonality and different types of content that you can generate. But let's just paste your post in, click on generate and let the system go away and do its work. Basically, it's going to take this post and recreate it, rephrased in a different way. So it's entirely new content. And you can see it is very quick to do that. Then you simply click on copy, take it over to Facebook and repost that as new content. If you're not happy with what it's generated, simply click on generate and it will start again and create an entirely new version. Now this works with ChatGPT version 3, version 3.5 and the new 4.0, so the results you get will vary according to which version you're using. Now that's built into the back end of the system and that's using the API key, so you don't have to sign up to the ChatGPT $20 a month subscription. You just use the API option, which allows you to put credit on that you then use as and when you need it, so it's not the same as monthly subscription and it's really cheap. So just putting $10 on will last you a really long time and a lot of new content. Now the other thing we can do is use the different versions here, so let's go with the benefit booster and have a look at that. I've actually gone through and pre-run these for each of these posts so we don't have to wait for it to generate, but if we go through you can see that content is different. So this for instance is best for sprucing up product descriptions and sales copy. So again, this is different to what we had in the NeuraRephraser Pro. If we go to Analogy Architect, again this is best for blog posts and social media captions, so it's different content again, different tonality, different focus. If we go down to the Empathy Engine, this will make it more empathic, so good for building a connection with your audience. Then we have the Convo Crafter, so again different version of the content. Then we have the Narrative Nurturer, so it's more narrative based, which makes it more appealing and more memorable. Then we have the Data Digger. Then we have the Intrigue Innovator, again different tone, different format. Then we have the Saga Sculptor. So basically all these different versions will give you different types of content based on that original post, and people can go through and find the ones that they like to use best, see which gets them the best results. But it means that they can take your original post and quickly have a new version of it to use on their own profile. Then we have the Cultural Nuance Translation Unit. Again, pop in your post, choose the language that you want to translate into. Let's go with Danish and then click on generate down the bottom here and it will rework this post into that language and it will use local nuances for that particular language. Basically, it's trying to make sure that someone reading it who is Dutch won't immediately go, oh, this has been translated from English. They'll actually read it and go, okay, yeah, it's Dutch. So it's putting in local nuances to achieve that. And again, down the bottom, just click on copy and go and post it on your profile. So that's to make sure that you can have those posts in any language you want. The next option is the graphic generator. And you can use this for generating all sorts of different types of graphics, but let's go with standard size for a post and we'll leave it as the image style normal and the lighting effect normal. I put in a basic prompt for my daily one-click online money creation ritual. Let's click on generate and see what we get. Now it will take about 15 to 20 seconds per image, so I'm going to pause it while it finishes this off. Okay, so it's now finished that, so we've got a graphic that we can use for our post. All we need to do is click on the download button, save a copy locally and use that when we make our post. However, you'll also notice there's an updated prompt option here. So we could take this, copy it, and paste that in over the basic prompt that I used and click generate again, and it will come up with a different version that is more detailed based on this new, more detailed prompt that has been generated for us. So here we have the new version created from that more detailed prompt. Again, click on download, save a copy of that, providing you like it, that is. If not, you can simply go back, pop our original simple prompt in, choose a different image style. So let's go with cartoon art this time, and we're going to go with studio, click on generate and see what that comes up with with as an alternative. And there we go. We've now got a cartoon style art in studio lighting. I actually kind of like that one. I'll probably keep that one. But you just go on through the different styles to find something that you like. Let's try line art and neon. Again, click generate and let it do its work. So now we have a neon line art style image. One of the things I will say is it's not always good at the text if it tries to put text in an image, so that's not always a great thing. What you can do though is add an extra line to your prompt which says no writing, words or text should be included anywhere in the image. It won't stop it entirely, but it will reduce the number of times it tries to include text and gets it wrong. Okay, let's try one more. Let's go with 3D render and warm and then click on generate. And again, I kind of like that one, so I'll probably save it. I'll do a few of these and send over a selection of them so you can have a look through them. This can get quite addictive playing around with the images, and it's just a great way to come up with some post images that you can use on Facebook and other places. So again, NeuraRephraser is not only helping you rephrase that initial post so it's unique, you can put it in all sorts of different styles, and then you can translate it to any language you want to, and then you can create a graphic for the post as well. Okay, so that's a very quick look through at what NeuraRephraser does. Hope it's helpful. Give me a shout if you've got any questions.